So welcome for day 2 training, guys. So yesterday we learned about different types of asset classes. Yesterday we learned about market participants, and also yesterday we discussed about index. Can anyone help me with the name of index which we discussed yesterday? There were two types of index. Can anyone help me, please? What were the name of them?
It was benchmark index and sectorial index. Under benchmark, we had learn about Nifty 50 and Sensex.
Okay.
And in terms of sectorial index, we had learn about Nifty Bank, Nifty IT, Nifty Pharma, FMCG.
Okay, great. Perfect, sir. Thank you so much, Chandrakant, sir. Okay, so basically, guys, today we are going to understand, like yesterday, why we learned all that thing. What's the importance behind that? What data will help us to earn money from that index, from that stock? Okay, so now let's figure out that. Okay, so basically, guys, when you are trading, when you are in trading, your this trading positions will be last for few minutes or max to max 1 hour, not more than that. Because here, what are you doing? Here, you are trying to take benefit of short trends which are coming into the market. So if you look at the chart structure, for example, if chart went uptrend, okay, like this, in 5 minutes time frame. So with the help of trading, you are taking benefit of this trend and you are earning money. Similarly, if you look at in another 5 minutes duration, the price went down like this. Again, you are taking benefit of this movement. So I mean to say, in trading, what we do is we try to take benefit of each and every single movement that which we are looking into the market. The only thing is we should know how to do analysis of that trend, how to do analysis of the swing. So understand, guys, here, if I'm talking about trend, we look bigger data here. When I'm saying bigger data, that means 1 day, 30 minutes, it can be 1 hour, it can be 4 hour, it can be 15 minutes, minimum 15 minutes. Okay, so now if I'm going on chart, just look at the chart right now here, guys. I am on 15 minutes right now. So look at the bottom, how many days data I have right now. Everyone, from what date I have data now here in front of my screen. Just look at the bottom. It is starting from 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 was Saturday, Sunday, 14, 15, 16, 17. Almost how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Almost 7 days of data. Everyone, how many days I have here? 7 days. Now, if I'm shifting my chart to 1 hour, how I will shift that? Look at on top. Beside 15 minutes, there is 1 hour. Now, how many days chart I have? From 16 June. From 16 June. 16. See this. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 was Saturday, Sunday. 23, 24, 25. Everyone, are you guys getting my point over here right now? That what I'm trying to explain? All of you, kindly please let me know in chat box quickly. So here in bigger time frame, what we do is we try to understand the trend of the chart. We try to understand trend of the price behavior. Okay, but in smaller time frame, we work on swing. So here we look smaller data. Smaller data means what? 1 minute time frame, 3 minutes time frame, 5 minutes time frame. I am talking about this options trading right now. I'm purely talking about trading. Like what here you are doing right now? See this. Right now, we are from 16 to 15. Now, if I go to 1 minute, see, I am on 1 minute right now. This is my entire day data. Everyone, this is my entire day data. If you see this, there is so much of disturbance now on chart. Why? Because we are on smaller time frame. Everyone, we are at smaller time frame. Everyone, are you guys getting my point right now over here? See, market started today. From 16 till 3:30. Everyone, this is smaller time frame. If I go to 5 minutes, see, again, I have data from 15, I have data from 16. Okay. If I'm going on 15 minutes, again, I have data from 9th July. Again, if I'm going on bigger time frame on 1 hour, again, I have data from 16 June. Again, I am on 1 day right now. I have data from January, almost from mid-December, okay, 2024. If I'm going on week, again, I have data from 2023. Now, you guys answer my question. For what purpose we use bigger time frame data? To identify swing or to identify trend? What's the answer? Everyone, please let me know in chat box quickly. To identify trend. Very good. Now understand this, guys. Even trend is like this, even swing is like this. Okay, the only difference is here we are looking at bigger time. And this is for analysis purpose. And this is smaller time for trading purpose. Everyone, I hope now this part is clear to all of you, right? This is your trend and this is your swing. All of you, is that clear? Please reply me in the chat box quickly. Quickly, fast. Chandrakant sir, any question?
No
All
question.
clear? Everyone, all clear? Please, Amrit, Mr. Sudhakar, is that clear? Okay, great, perfect.
Actually, I have doubt in swing.
Yes, yes, sir. Please ask me the question.
Actually, bigger time frame is analysis for trend, right? What
Mhm.
about swing? Actually, I am not getting about that swing.
Swing means, yeah, let's this. You will answer my question now here. So right now, sir, if I'm on 1 minute data, okay, I'm looking at 1 minute data. Okay, so now if you look at this area, which I'm marking for you right now, this area from here to here, that means from 3 o'clock to 3:30. What's the swing? Where exactly swing is going? Swing is going upper side or lower side?
Lower side.
So here you will earn money by taking downside positions.
Okay.
You got my point?
Yeah, got it.
Huh? So basically, here what we do is we try to identify trend first. We look at trend. What exactly my trend is right now? If my understand, guys, see this. Very good question, sir. It will allow me to resolve in more easiest way. Wait, see this. Now, sir, please answer my question over here. As I said, this is trend. So this is my uptrend, right, sir?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Can you see? Even my chart is in uptrend. Many times chart is trying to come down. Can you see that, sir?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I
So
can see that.
that are my swings. Are you getting my point?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Got it now.
Huh? Again, see this. This is my downtrend. In bigger time frame, this is my downtrend. Now here, if you see, when the price is trying to come down, also the price is trying to go up, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So again, that are my swings. So when you see the price is going like this is my upswing. When you see price is coming like this is my downswing. You got
Okay.
my point?
Yeah,
Everyone, now is it clear to all of you? Guys?
yeah, clear.
Hello? Everyone? No. Wicks are different. Whenever we work on candlestick part, on that time we are going to discuss that, guys. Okay? Perfect. So let's move to the main topic now. So guys, in trading, we need two parties. Okay, while trading, we need two parties. One is underlying asset and one is derivative. Now understand this part, guys. Underlying asset means the asset which they have their own value. Okay, now let's take it Reliance over here. Now guys, Reliance have its own value, right? The prices will go up or prices will go down for the Reliance share. It depends upon the business performance of Reliance, right? Does Reliance need to depend on any other factor? Everyone, guys, again, I am asking the question, whatever price we have right now, let's assume the Reliance price is 1100, just an example. Okay, so if price wants to go to 1100, from 1100 to 1300, Reliance has to do a very good business. If price wants to come from 1100 to 1000, again there must be something happening wrong in that stock, in that company. That's the reason price will coming down. So everything is purely based on performance, right? Same goes with Nifty. Same goes with Nifty. Today Nifty is at 25,212. Okay, so if 50 companies are performing well, whatever average which is coming, if there's a positive average, definitely there's a high chance that Nifty will go nearby 20 to 25,400. If the average comes negative, the Nifty will come down, right? It will come to 25,000 or 25,100. It can be anything. You guys getting my point right now here? What is underlying asset? Wherein they have their own value. They don't need any other factors. Okay. So now understand this derivative part. In derivative, we have two options. Okay. One is call option, which is known as CE, call European, and one is put option, which is known as PE, put European. Okay. So now understand this here. For example, as an underlying asset, I have a Reliance. Now here I have two Reliance derivatives, Reliance CE and Reliance PE. Okay, everyone. So now understand this, what I'm trying to say. Assuming it that my underlying asset price will go up. Sudhakar, you came to market today. Okay. Assuming that I know that Reliance is at good price structure, I can see I will get a breakout. If Reliance is crossing 1100, then there's a high chance that price will go up. Okay, you did this type of technical analysis. So now, if you want to earn money in derivative, what you will do? You will trade in Reliance call option. Every time, assuming it that price will go up, you will trade in call option. Okay. Every time when you do analysis and if you see that there's something bad coming in the line structure, maybe earnings are not good, the prices will go down. Still, if you want to earn money from market, what you will do? You will trade in Reliance put option. You got my point, Sudhakar? Everyone understand this. In stock market, we are right now talking about options trading. Okay. So every underlying asset have two derivative, call derivative and put derivative. Okay. Assuming it underlying asset price is going up, you will go for call derivative. Understanding that price will go down, you will go for put derivative. Guys, please answer my question. Is it clear to all of you right now? Everyone? Please answer my question in the chat box. Is it clear to all of you? Chandrakant, is it clear? Praveen? Okay, perfect, 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 perfect. Great. So, guys, again, I'm saying you guys have mic access. You guys can ask for question anytime. I will not stop there. I'll not stop you guys. Okay, perfect. Now you must be thinking why there are two Reliance, why there are two Nifty. This is question right now we have in our mind, right? All of you, everyone, we have this question, right? Please let me know in chat box quickly. Everyone, do we have this question in mind? Why derivative? Why underlying asset? Can't we just directly trade on Reliance and earn money? Everyone, do we have this question? Okay, so now let's understand this. Praveen, can you unmute yourself, please?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Praveen, now you answer this question. For example, this is a house right now. Okay, the cost of this house is, let's take it 10 lakh rupees. Okay,
Okay.
so if you want to buy this as an underlying asset, how much amount are you paying for this? 10 lakh. How much?
10 lakh.
And you are the full owner of this house. Now you decide whatever you want to do. Okay, like you can keep this house for 10 years, you can keep this house for 20 years. Similarly, this is in underlying asset. When you are in stock market, when you are purchasing any underlying asset, it is up to you. You can keep it as much as long time you want. Okay, you got this point. Now coming to the derivative part. Now I am the tenant. I want to stay in this home on rent. So what you did, number one thing, you will do a proper rent agreement, right? What you
Yes.
will do, first you will classify the terms and conditions that Mehul, I need 10,000 rupees rent every month. You can stay maximum till 1 year. And also you will classify it that how much deposit means how much premium I am paying to get myself settled in this house on the rent basis. Okay, so now understand this. As a normal trader, derivatives are much more cheaper and underlying assets are costlier. If you're trading in underlying asset, that means you are actually owner of that particular asset. But here, when you are trading in derivative, you are just renting that asset based on your analysis of your underlying asset. Everyone, you got my point? All of you. Now let's look at as an example now. Okay. After then we'll think how to identify what is derivative and what is underlying asset. Okay. So Chandrakant, can you please unmute yourself? It is my request. Praveen sir, thank you so much. Okay. Praveen sir, very good. Chandrakant sir, very good evening.
Yeah, good evening, please.
Okay. So now, if I want to buy this Reliance as an asset, how much money I will be paying for that asset?
For the asset, I need to pay 1485.60.
Okay, so this is the cost of the actual underlying asset that I want to buy. Okay,
Yeah.
now understand this. Here, I'm going for Reliance derivative right now. Reliance 1400. Okay, perfect. Now here in derivative, whenever you trade, okay, derivative always comes with a lot size. Okay,
Yeah.
there's a minimum lot size. Okay, so if I'm tapping on buy, now how much capital I need, sir, to buy this contract?
I need 46,200 plus charges.
Okay, and till what time I can keep, till what date I can keep this contract in my portfolio? On top, there's a date written over there,
Yeah, 31st July.
31st July, right?
Yeah.
After that, like as we saw that Praveen has created one agreement for me, right? If agreement is finished, I have to leave that house. Similarly, if the contract is finished, broker will take the position back. Okay, you got that point, Chandrakant sir? Okay,
Yeah, I got
now
it.
how many quantities we have in one lot of Reliance?
And 500.
We have 500. And how much capital I am paying over? How much rent I am paying over here? 46,200.
46,200. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Now see this, sir. If I am going and buying actual Reliance as an asset, 500 quantities, how much capital I need, sir?
That's something around 1,50,000. 1,48,560 plus taxes.
Okay, perfect. Now understand this, sir. The prices moved from 1 lakh, sorry, the prices moved from 1,485 to 1,486. How much profit you will gain, sir?
Sorry, pardon?
Right now, the price of this asset is 1,485. Okay.
Yeah.
Now
Okay.
price increased by 1 rupee and you are holding 500 quantities. Okay. How much
Okay.
profit you will gain over here if 1 rupee is increasing from 85 to 86?
I will get 500 rupees profit.
500 rupees. Okay, perfect. Now let's come to the Reliance derivative. Now let's come to the Reliance derivative. Here again, I am taking one lot. For that I am paying 46,000. And even if 1 point is moving over here, how much profit I will gain, sir?
Again, said 500 rupees.
So now understand this. At one side, you have that asset, you paid 1,46,000. How much profit you are gaining? Only 500. Here, you gave only 46,000 rupees. Still, you are gaining 500 rupees profit. Now, you guys understood why option trading everyone does? All of you? It is like you are renting that asset. You got my point, Chandrakant, sir?
Yeah, I got it.
Everyone, kindly please answer my question in chat box. I hope now this part is clear to all of you. Everyone, Mr. Sudhakar, Praveen, Prashant, Vishnu, Travanam, Mr.
Yes, sir.
Samsung, Rakshita, Abhishek, Rohan. Yes, sir?
Sir, this is regarding the 500 profit. How do we know if it's the profit of 500?
Sir, how many quantities we have in one lot of Reliance?
500, okay. One
Okay,
lot size is 500.
right. If the lot size was 400, then if there's a movement of 1 rupee in positive side, that means 400 profit. If the lot size was 300, then 300 profit. You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, is it clear now to all of you? Guys, is it clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay. Right, that is a risk. That is a risk, Prashant. But understand one thing, guys, I have to say this. Even if investing is done in a wrong manner, there's a risk. Even if trading is done in a wrong manner, there is a risk. And yes, I am telling there is a maximum risk in both the part. But again, what I'm trying to explain over here is that people are doing this. Look, you can trade in equity, you can trade in option, you have multiple things. My job is to explore each and every single part. My job is to explore intraday. My job is to explore option trading. My job is to explore equity market. Everything. Okay. At the end of the day, you guys will be having knowledge of everything. Intraday, equity, option, hedging, everything. After then, you will decide which one is suiting you better. Everyone, is that clear to all of you? Hmm? Okay. Please type one in the chat box if this part is clear till here. Hmm? Yep, there is a margin, no, sir. That's the reason we are getting it for 46,200. Otherwise, actual price of that asset is 1,46,000, sir. Okay. So now you must be thinking how to identify which asset is underlying asset and which asset is derivative asset. Now this is your next question, right? Everyone, how to identify this? Let's come back to the topic. So guys, every time if you are looking at index, okay, index is also known as indices. Wait a second, my pen. Index is also known as indices. Okay, so this is your underlying asset. Your stock, This is your underlying asset. Your commodity, like if I say crude oil, this will stand as a MCL. Now, how to identify them? If it is an underlying asset, if in indices, if it belongs to Nifty, NSE will be written there. Only NSE. If it belongs to BSE, only BSE will be written there. Again, if I'm talking about stock, NSE and BSE. If I'm talking about crude oil, natural gas, gold, silver, Brent, that will be written there as a MCX. Now, how to identify derivative? If you're trading in any Nifty contract, there will be written NSEFO. If you're trading in Sensex, there will be written BSEFO. If you're trading in stock, there will be written NSEFO. Let's get this properly now with a proper example. Everyone, already I have created this list over here. You can see this, right? All the indices, see Sensex, crude oil, Nifty, they are coming up with the name indices, NSE. Everyone, Sensex, indices. You got my point? All of you? Hello? Now look at the derivative. Reliance is known as a NSE. Okay. But if you look at Reliance derivative, that is NSEFO. There is NSEFO. You can see this. There's a PE and CE also. Now look at the Sensex derivatives. BSEFO. BSEFO. Look at the Nifty derivatives. NSEFO. NSEFO. I hope now this part is clear to all of you. How to identify what is derivative and what is underlying asset. Right, everyone? Please type one in the chat box quickly. It is my request. All of you.
Sir, what's the number between CE and PEs?
I will come on that part. I'll come on that part. Don't worry. That's our next topic. But before that, let me go ahead and take short revision. Okay. So at least whatever jumbling things are going in mind right now, that will be solved. Okay. So I'll go for one small quick revision. Okay, everyone. So number one thing, what I said was here. Number one thing, what we saw, if underlying asset price is going up, in what contract will trade, guys? Everyone, please answer my question. Will trade in call option or put option?
Call option.
Everyone, I want everyone's mic unmute, guys. Please answer my question. I don't want participation on chat, please. Everyone, where exactly will trade? All of you, please answer my question. We'll go for call option, which is known as a CE. If underlying asset price is going down, we'll go for which contract? Everyone,
Put option.
will go for put contract.
PE.
Very good. Perfect. Now understand this here. 1 second, please. Now, after that, before that, what we saw? Bigger data is used to identify what?
Trend.
To identify what?
Trend.
Everyone?
Trend.
Trend. Perfect. smaller data is used to identify what? Everyone?
Swing.
Perfect. This is what we saw so far. Everyone? One more part is there. Underlying asset we can buy as minimum as one quantity, as maximum it can be anything. It can be 1000, it can be 2000. Okay, there is no limitation. Okay, but if you're trading in derivatives, in derivative asset, we can buy in lots which are pre-decided. Okay, which are pre-decided. Is that clear to all of you now? Everyone? I hope that this small revision part was enough, right? To understand all these things which we discussed so far. Everyone? Right?
Yeah, right.
Yes.
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. Now understand this. Let's come to the lot size now. Okay. So, Reliance, what's the lot size of Reliance, guys? Please answer my question.
500.
Sorry?
100.
500. Okay. 500, one lot. Then what's the lot size of Nifty? Any guesses? Can anyone guess?
It's 50.
It's
Sorry,
75.
75.
It
Sorry,
is
75.
75.
Yeah, 75.
Okay. What's the lot size of Sensex?
It's 20.
20. Very good. Perfect. What's the one lot size of crude oil? Any guesses? Everyone. What's the lot size for crude oil?
1000.
100. Okay. So guys, similarly, this look, not all stocks you can trade in FNO. SEBI has a set of list. Only that stocks can be traded in FNO, not all the stocks. In stock market, there are 7,000 plus stocks. So here what you can do is, you can come to Google here, FNO stocks list. Just search this. Go. Okay. List of underlyings and information. See this, guys. You got my point? Just tap on this. See, these are the indexes. On top, you have index. See, Nifty 50, Nifty Bank, Nifty Financial Service, Nifty Mid Cap, Nifty Next 50. These are from Nifty. Okay. We are on NSE website. So this is from Nifty. Same on BSE website, you will be having Sensex and BankX. Okay. Everyone. Sensex and BankX. Now see, these are the stocks which are allowed to trade in future and options. So understand, guys, these stocks will be having a very good amount of liquidity. Everyone, are you guys getting my point? Why these stocks are allowed to trade in future and options? Because these stocks have very good liquidity. Everyone, there's a maximum volumes happening on daily basis in all these stocks. Guys, is that clear to all of you? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Perfect. Guys, so far, any other question, any doubts for me? Please, it is my request. Any question, any doubts so far? Praveen, any question, any doubts? Sudhakar,
No, sir.
Chandrakant?
No.
No.
No, right? What about other participants, guys?
The lot size for all the underlying assets would be minimum 500, or is it different?
No. Every asset has a different lot size. Can you pick up any? Just pick up any random stocks, sir, so I can help you with the lot size, please.
Maybe Infosys, the first one.
Infosys. Okay, let's go there. So here we have Infosys. Okay. Sir, what's the lot size for Infosys?
400.
Okay. I hope you got your answer, sir. Right?
So it would be the lot size would be 400 itself, or could it also be a higher lot size for Infosys?
No, it's 400. It is already decided by SEBI, sir. You can pick up any other random stock, sir. We'll check one more. You can take any other one more stock, sir, from this list.
Maybe LIC.
LIC Housing Finance.
Yeah, LIC or something.
What's the lot size, sir?
1,000.
Okay. I hope you got your answer.
Right.
Right? Everyone, is it clear to all of you now? All of you? Please. Okay, great, Praveen. What about other Chandrakant, Justin, Sarvanan, Harshita, Anantraj, Prashant,
Yes.
Abhishek,
Yes.
Rakshita, Balachandra, Karthik, Rupali? Everyone, please show me some active participation so at least I can understand that, yep, you guys understood whatever things we are discussing right now over here. Everyone, type 1 in the chat box quickly, fast. Okay. So now, recently someone asked me that question, like what's that number between stock name and P and C, right? That was the question. Praveen, you are the one, right, who asked that question, right? Okay, perfect.
Yes.
Now I will answer that. So basically, Praveen, now again we are coming to that house part. Can you please unmute yourself? Praveen, can you please unmute yourself?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Praveen, again you have one house. Okay. As an underlying asset, when you bought this house, the price of this house was 10 lakh. After 2 years, the price of this house is 12 lakh. After 4 years, the price of this house is 14 lakh. Okay. So now, this is the actual price of asset right now. Wherein what we discussed, the prices are going up and the prices are coming down. Like here, it can be possible the price can come to 9 lakh. If there's a highly possible, price can also come to 8 lakh if there's a situation like COVID or something. Okay. Now
Yes.
understand this. As a tenant, I am paying right now 10,000. Okay. Now, what I am saying that the price will go, my analysis says the price of your house will go from 10 lakh to 12 lakh. This is my analysis right now. So you know what I will do over here? For example, if there's a strike price option available, 10 lakh, 10 lakh. And here I have this contract, CE. You got my point? Everyone? Hello? So
Yes, sir.
whenever you are doing options trading, guys, you will trade on that price contract, not actually on that underlying asset. Let's take a proper one more example. Chandrakant sir, can you please come and help me now for the volunteering?
Yeah, please.
Okay. So Chandrakant sir, now my answer this question. Here we have one XYZ industry stock.
Okay.
Okay. And here I am writing the prices like 100, 105, 130, 145, 150, 170. Okay. So right
Okay.
now the price is at, just imagine price is at 145. Okay.
Okay.
So now here I have a one table where already strike prices are divided by SEBI. And like every underlying asset has a different lot size. Similarly, every underlying asset has a different strike price calculation. Like if you look at the Nifty, strike price calculations are in 50s. If you look at Reliance, the strike price calculations are in 10. If you look at Voltas, the strike price calculations are in 20. If you look at Sensex, the strike price calculations are in 100. Where I can see that I'm coming on that point. So here I have CE and here I have PE. Okay. Now assuming it, the strike price for this XYZ industry, Chandrakant sir, is divided in
Yeah.
tens. Like I'm writing here 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160. These are the strike prices. So basically, what are the strike prices? Strike price is the round figure calculation of my underlying asset chart
Yes.
price.
Yeah.
You got my point, sir?
Yeah, I got it.
Huh? So for example, assuming it right now the price is 145. Okay, which is
Okay.
the nearest, which are the two nearest strike prices on this table right now?
Yes.
Assuming it at 145, which are the two nearest strike prices? Can you
So
tell
either
me?
140 or 150.
140 or 150? Assuming it, the price will go up. What contract you will select? 140 call option or 140 put option?
I will select 150 call option.
150 or 140 call option. I mean to say, guys, assuming it, the price is going up, you can select any call option contract, any strike price call option. But which one need to select? We'll discuss that later. But first understand this. Now, let's look at the practically over here on this table, guys. This table is known as the option chain table. Okay. See this. Now, we are looking at the Nifty table right now, guys. Can you please tell me what are the prices divided here right now for the Nifty chart? They are into 50. Look properly here. 24,800, 24,850, 24,900, 24,950, 25,000. So currently Nifty is at 25,212. What are the two nearest strike prices I have? I have 25,250 or 25,200. Assuming it, the price will go up. Assuming it, the price will go up from here. What are we going to do is we'll go for the call option. Okay, I'll make you understand this table tomorrow. First, here we are trying to get basic things clear, actually how the data is driven. Everyone, this part is clear to all of you now? That what is strike price? All of you?
Clear, sir.
Everyone? Guys, is it getting jumbled now to all of you?
No, it's clear.
It's clear, right? Okay. What's the time? It's 20:28. Guys, if I'm taking another 10-15 minutes extra, is that okay for you guys? If you guys don't mind? Hello? Everyone,
Yeah,
please?
okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
it's okay.
Yes.
Fine.
Okay. Perfect. Now understand this. Whenever you are trading in options, guys, okay, number one thing, again, Praveen, hello, look here,
Yes, sir.
unmute. Okay, Praveen, when you gave me your house on rent, what was the first thing you did?
1 year
First
rent
you made
agreement.
first you made that rent agreement, right,
Yes.
Chandrakant sir? Everyone.
Yeah.
So here in options also, we have a contract agreement. So every contract comes with the expiry date. Everyone, every contract comes with the expiry date. Now understand this. In Nifty and in Sensex, we have weekly. That's my wife, guys, Chota Don. So don't laugh. Okay. weekly and monthly. Same goes with Sensex also, weekly and monthly. These are the two types of contract we have if we are trading in Nifty and Sensex. Let's try to understand this practically. Okay, now see this guys over here. Look at the right corner on top. Everyone, look at the right corner on top. There's a date written over there, 17 July. Can you see that, everyone? So
Yes, sir.
17th July is the expiry date for the Nifty. That means every Thursday. That means on every Thursday, we have, one second. Okay, on every Thursday, we have Nifty expiry. Okay, everyone, on every Thursday, we have Nifty expiry. Now understand this. First Thursday, second Thursday, third Thursday, all these 3 Thursdays are weekly expiry. But last Thursday of the month is known as a monthly expiry. You got my point, everyone? Hello? Guys, is that clear? Now, if I look at Sensex, let's come to the Sensex now. So, Sensex expiry is coming on 22nd July. So, here, if I look at 22nd July, it's a Tuesday, guys. So, every Tuesday is a weekly expiry, but last Tuesday of the month is a monthly expiry. Now, coming to the stock, all the stocks, all the underlying assets which are stocks and registered as a FNO, their expiry is on last Thursday of the month. If it's a holiday, then that expiry will be shifted on Wednesday. Similarly, there are other underlying assets. Okay. So this Nifty Bank, Nifty Financial Services, Nifty Mid Cap, Nifty Next 50, all these expiries are on Thursday. Everyone. And they are coming with only monthly expiry. Only Nifty 50 and Sensex, only both of them have weekly option. Rest, all the contracts are monthly contracts. Is that clear to all of you, everyone?
Yes,
Or you
clear.
guys want me to write this down for the notes, everyone? Yeah, all of you.
So is it like on the days of public holidays, any of the stocks like Sensex will get preponed to Monday and Nifty will
Right,
get preponed to Wednesday.
right. Again, understand, if there's a holiday on Monday and Tuesday, in
Oh,
that case, that expiry will shift on the Friday.
oh. Friday as in preponed or postponed?
Huh? Prepond.
Okay, okay.
Okay. And understand, guys, one more thing. So here what happens, assuming it that, example, you are entering into the Nifty contract. Okay. Assuming it the price will go up for Nifty 25,000 call option for 30 rupees. Okay. Now the expiry is on, just assuming it, expiry is on 30th July. And right now, the situation of this position is in profit. You bought on 30 rupees and now, assuming it that as an underlying asset, Nifty worked properly based on your analysis, and now the 30 rupees has now become 70 rupees. You can exit, you can take exit from that position anytime. It is not a lock-in period. This contract date is not a lock-in period. Why this contract date is given? On this particular date, that contract will be expired. It will become zero or it will become hero. You guys might have heard in Instagram or in Telegram like hero zero trades and all that, right? Everyone? Guys? Anyone of has come about any of this such abbreviations in past?
Yeah.
Okay. So these are the expiry dates, especially hero zero trades are done on expiry trades only. But personally, I do avoid that. And it's been like from past almost 1 week, there is no movement in market. So we are not doing any kind of analysis in options. We are only working on stocks. Praveen knows very well that. Right, Praveen? And again, I'm saying, I'm telling everyone, please focus on diamond and jewelry sector, guys. Please focus on diamond and jewelry sector. Why? Soon festival seasons are going to get started now. The very first thing, Ganesh Chaturthi. After that, Navratri. After that, Diwali. After that, Dashera. Sorry, Navratri. After that, Dashera. After that, New Diwali. So basically, guys, there are many good stocks. You can also focus on automobile. You can focus on jewelry stocks. You can focus on sugar companies from now onwards. Sir, Chandrakant sir, I hope you understand why I am telling you this now.
Yeah, yeah, I understand.
So I want you to focus on that sector first. Tap on that. Just go and Google it, guys. Do this. Look what I'm sharing over here. So here, if you go and just type sugar sector stock list. Do this. See how many stocks we got? Everyone, come to Money Control directly if you want. See, these are the stocks from sugar company, guys. And make sure, guys, you are trading on NSE stock only. Don't go for BSE stock. There's a reason behind it. I'll tell you guys later. There is no changes in prices, guys. Okay, but trade in NSE. Now, here, these are the stocks in sugar sector. Now, focus on maximum 3 or 4 stocks which are horse of that sector. Similarly, recently in Telegram here, it was told that focus on diamond and jewelry sector. So, yeah, we are working on this and soon we will be starting discussing stocks and everything over here. So, guys, I think today we should end our session here, right? Everyone?
Yeah.
Please.
Yes.
Okay, guys, I will update this recording by tonight. Okay, guys, those who don't have access to the group, okay, those who don't have access to the group, please message me on this number. And also, I'm sharing notes with you right away. 1 second. Okay, you guys can message me here if there's any doubt, any question. And also, let me go ahead and share these notes with you guys right away. So you guys can look at these notes properly. Let me download this on my computer so I can share it with you guys. Guys, any other doubts or question for me so far, everyone?
Wanted to ask, in case there is no exit taken in between the weekly or the monthly this thing, so what happens if you don't take any exit and it goes to the last day of the contract?
For example, you are trading in call option. And if market is in your favor, you will end up with a good profit. Okay.
Okay.
Your broker will exit you in the profit.
So
Okay.
whatever the position is on the final day of the contract, that would be the.
That will be the outcome. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Rest, guys, I'm sharing this note. Please check. I have shared notes in the chat. Please download them. Just go through it. Okay. And if there's any doubt, any question, guys, please to message me. Okay. Varun sir, I don't have access to the group. I'm really sorry, sir. If there was access to me, I would have definitely added you directly, sir. That's the reason I'm sharing. You want yesterday notes too, right, sir? Varun?
I think you had shared yesterday's notes.
Okay, but still, I'll share it one more time in case if people don't have. Okay, no problem, guys. Rest recordings will be there over here on YouTube. I'm sharing this YouTube link too. Go ahead and subscribe to that channel, guys. So whenever recording is updated, you will get a notification that that's Mehul has updated the recording. Okay. I hope you guys had very good time with me while learning, right? Everyone, please let
Yes,
me
sir.
know in chat box. Okay, so I'll see you guys tomorrow now, evening 9:30.
Yeah,
Meanwhile,
yes.
do watch recording, do make proper notes and everything, and do question me, guys. I like whenever you guys ask me questions.
Sure, definitely.
Okay, great. Chalo, bye all of you. Good night. Take care.
Bye, bye. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Good night.
Good night.